Hi all. So today we are discussing about different types of array methods. Before moving to array methods, so I am going to explain about the what is array, how to create the array methods, and all I am going to explain. Array is an object that can store a multiple values at a once. For example, I am taking an example as a arrays like a string array. So there is a values like eat, work, and sleep. So this is called as a array. It is collections of values. How to create a array by using array literal methods and then new keyword. By array literal methods, by using it is the easiest way of creating an array by using array literals. For example, string array, heat, work, sleep, is like this we are creating array literal. If you want to use as a new keyword, for using new keyword, we need to create a array like array 2. We are creating new array heat and sleep. This is another way of creating a array methods. So this is an empty array. If you want to create an empty array, there is no value in that array, so we are creating an empty array. If you want to create as a number array, array of numbers, for using 2 4 6 8, this is an array of numbers. If you want to create an array of strings, so that is a string array. It is denoted by double quotes, so like eat, work, and sleep. If you want to create as a mixed array, in that, like for example, we have a one array, it has like a boolean values, also it has a array of numbers, also it has a string also. So this is like this also we can create. And then if you also we can store the arrays and functions and other object inside an array. For example, new data, there is a one arrays and functions and then numbers. Like this also we need to create an array, but in new data it is collections of all things. It is different types of also we can store the array. If you want to access the array by using, see for example, I am taking my array. I am taking HENN. So there is a 0 1 2 3 4. There is a 4 index is there. If you want to access an H, for that we are giving my array of 0. 0, it is like it is there in an index of 0, it is a H. It is denoted as H. If you want to create a second array, if you want to access a second array, for that we need to give 0 1. So it is a second array we will give. Like this we can access the array elements. Later we are moving to different types of array methods, like push, swap, and then shift, unshift, and then concat methods, and slice and splice. First we need to push the array by using push method. In push method it will add it in a array at the end. So by using push methods, I will run the code. What will be given the first push? It will see. We are adding a array by using push method, work. So work, in that there is a daily activity array is there. It has eat and sleep, but I am adding a one more value like work. So now is array is we are consoling. It will give as a work, eat, and sleep. After we need to add it in unshift method. Push and unshift method, what we will do, push method it will add the array in end, but unshift method it will add it in array in end, in a beginning. So by using push method, if you wanted to add it in beginning of the array, so you will give as a push method, unshift method. Unshift method, if you want it in, add it in exercise. So exercise it will add it in beginning of the array. So by using unshift method, exercise, eat, and sleep. If you want it same way, it will we are using shift and pop method. Pop method, of course, it is similar like a push. It will remove the elements at the end. But in shift method, what it will do, it will remove the elements in a beginning. So by using pop method, we can remove the elements at the last. I'm using pop method. Just I'm saving. See, eat only is there. Eat sleep is there. It will remove the sleep, because it on pop method it will remove the last of the array. So it will remove the sleep. It will give as a eat. And shift method also same way. It will as a beginning of the array it will remove. So it will give us sleep is like eat. It will remove, because shift we are using beginning of the array it will remove. So first we need to remember about push and unshift method. Push is like adding the elements and element and last, but unshift it will add it in the beginning. Shift method it will remove in first, and then pop method it will remove in last. Like that, it is a vice versa. It will we are using. If you want to add it in the array at the index of the values, like if you want to add it in a second place, so for that we need to use for index values. I'm adding second, so then I'm assigning to one value. Okay, so I'm saving. So it will eat, sleep, exercise. Like I'm adding 0, 1, 2. So second place I'm adding. So it will add it in after the sleep. So now the array is daily activities, eat, sleep and exercise. If you find the array length, for that we need to give an as a length of the array. It will give a length of the array. So 3, 0, 1, 2. It is a total number 3. Like that method we can use for concat method also. We can use concat. I will show you how to use the concat. So I'm taking 2 array now, daily activities, and then array 1. Concat of array 1. This array 1 I am concatenating with the daily activities. So it will give us a new array. So routine. So it will create a new array. See, exercise I am passing to this daily activity. So now the array is eat, sleep and exercise. It creating the new array.